way you want.
Chill out.
After 10 years, PassionRadioBristol.com once again presents Sunday Night.
Chill out.
Chill out.
Starting this Sunday, 28th of September, come and chillax to the sounds of the Passion Ladies, Stony, Claire, Lioness, and the heyjaxz, playing back in the day soul, reggae, lovers rock, 90s R&B, your requests, and more. Discount prices on selected drinks, cocktails, and Jamaican bun and cheese nibbles. Dress code is whatever you feel comfy in, but no pajamas. From 7 p.m. till midnight, entry is free. Come down and chill out for an hour or two and leave contented.
Chill out.
Chill out at the Free Blackbirds Pub, 262 Stapleton Road, Easton, Bristol. Not to be mistaken with the Black Swan Pub.
Chill out.
Starts this Sunday, 28th of September. This event is aimed at the over 30s.